Hello everyone, are you ready to make your home even more beautiful? Today we're going to do just that. We're going to upcycle. Upcycling means taking something old and making it new again. It's a fun and easy way to decorate your home. Plus it's good for the environment. Let's get started on our upcycled wall hanging project. It's easier than you think. You can use things you already have around your house. This project is perfect for a rainy afternoon, or gather your friends for a crafting party. Before we begin, let's gather our materials. We want to use things we already have. This makes our project eco-friendly and budget-friendly too. Here's what we need: a base for our wall hanging. An old picture frame works great. You can also use a piece of driftwood, an embroidery hoop, or even a sturdy cardboard cutout. Fabric scraps. Look for old clothes you don't wear anymore. Cut them into strips. You can use different colors and patterns. Scissors. Make sure they're sharp enough to cut through fabric. Glue. Fabric glue works best, but you can also use a hot glue gun if you're careful. Embellishments. This is where you can be creative. Use buttons, beads, old jewelry, or anything else that catches your eye. Don't worry if you don't have everything on the list. Be creative and use what you have. Now comes the fun part. Let's create our wall hanging. Follow these easy steps. Step 1, prepare your base. First, let's prepare our base. If you're using a picture frame, remove the glass and backing. If you're using wood or cardboard, make sure it's clean and dry. Step 2, cut your fabric. Next, cut your fabric into strips. You can make them all the same width or mix it up for a more eclectic look. Step 3, attach the fabric. Now it's time to attach the fabric strips to our base. Add a dab of glue to the back of each strip, then press it firmly onto the base. Overlap the strips slightly to create a layered look. Step 4, add embellishments. Once the glue is dry, you can add your embellishments. Get creative, glue on buttons, beads, or anything else you like. The finishing touches, making it your own. Our wall hanging is almost finished. Now it's time to add the finishing touches. Loop a piece of yarn or ribbon around the top of your wall hanging. Use this to hang it on a hook or nail. Congratulations, you've created a beautiful and unique piece of art for your home. Upcycling, good for the planet, good for you. Our upcycled wall hanging is not just beautiful, it's also good for the environment. By upcycling, we're giving new life to old materials. This helps to reduce waste. Upcycling is also a great way to express your creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. More upcycling, fun, endless possibilities. There are endless possibilities when it comes to upcycling. You can create themed wall hangings for different holidays. You can even make them as gifts for friends and family. Share your creations with us. Tag your photos on social media. Happy upcycling. Let's explore more upcycling projects you can try at home. How about creating a beautiful upcycled vase? You can use an old glass bottle or jar. Decorate it with paint, fabric, or even twine. It's a great way to add a personal touch to your home decor. Another idea is to upcycle old t-shirts into reusable shopping bags. Simply cut and sew the fabric to create a sturdy bag. These projects are not only fun, but also help reduce waste. Happy crafting. Here are some tips and tricks to make your upcycling projects even better. First, always clean and prepare your materials before starting. This ensures that your finished product looks great and lasts longer. Second, don't be afraid to experiment with different materials and techniques. Upcycling is all about creativity. Finally, involve your friends and family in your projects. It's a great way to spend time together and share ideas. Keep upcycling and have fun. We love seeing your upcycled creations. Here are some amazing projects shared by our viewers. Showcase viewer photos and videos. These projects are truly inspiring and show the endless possibilities of upcycling. Keep sharing your creations with us by tagging your photos on social media. Let's continue to inspire each other and make the world a more beautiful place through upcycling. Thank you for watching and happy crafting. Thank you for joining us on this upcycling journey. We hope you enjoyed creating your upcycled wall hanging and exploring other upcycling projects. Remember, upcycling is not only fun, but also good for the environment. Keep experimenting, stay creative, and share your projects with us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DIY and upcycling ideas. Happy upcycling and see you next time.